S&P 500 and why does it matter? This is Hamza with Trading Secrets. I've been trading for the last 20 years. Stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise, you name it, I've done it. On this channel right here, I'm going to be sharing my journey and what I learned throughout the years, so you guys don't have to learn the hard way. If you find value, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and without any further ado, let's get to the point. The S&P 500 is a list of the 500 biggest and most important companies in the US. It shows how the overall stock market is doing, kind of like a health check for the economy. Why is it important? It's one of the best ways to say if the market is, it's one of the best ways to see if the market is going up or down. A lot of retirement plans and investment funds use it, so your money might be tied to it even if you don't know. Over a long time, it has grown steadily. The S&P 500 has gone up around 12% on average in the last 20 years. If you adjust it with inflation, it's around 10%. Over the last 40-50 years, the number is going to be around the same. Why people trust it? It includes companies from many different industries. It's stable, well-known, and widely used. Investing in the S&P 500 is like investing in the US economy. So you're basically betting on the US economy. And another good thing is that it's getting updated every now and then, right? Weak companies get removed, stronger ones get added. It covers almost 80% of the entire US stock market's value. Big companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta move it the most, right? When the S&P 500 drops, most other stocks usually drop too. It influences the whole market. You can invest in it through ETFs like SPY. It's one of the safest ways to invest because it spreads your money across the whole market. Even after big crashes, the S&P 500 has always recovered and made new all-time highs. Most investors, even professionals, use it as a benchmark to judge their own performance. It helps beginners understand the market without needing to study hundreds and thousands of stocks. If you're a new investor, S&P 500 is a very good way to start. The S&P 500 matters because it gives you a simple way to understand the market and invest for the long run. If you know this one index, you're already a step ahead and you already understand a big part of the US stock market. Guys, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.